4 of Vlogmas. I can't believe we're actually doing this. We're 4 days in. We got about 21 more days left. But I hope you guys enjoy these daily vlogs. I've been trying to just film everything, as you guys see, a lot of lifestyle stuff. Yesterday I did a tattoo video. If you guys haven't seen that, go watch it. But I'm just trying to try different videos, different content for you guys, trying to change it up a little bit. But today, since it's December now, and it's almost Christmas time, I thought it'd be cool to do a Christmas type of video. If you guys remember years ago, we wrapped the E92 in Christmas wrapping paper. We did the whole entire thing. It literally went viral on TikTok. It even went on a TikTok commercial. That shit was crazy. And I believe like last year, or maybe the year before that, we tried to wrap the GTR too, but we only did like the hood and I believe the trunk. That's all we did. We didn't really do much because it is hard, guys. Not easy to wrap the car, but I want to do it today at F80. We haven't done no Christmas videos with this car. You can see all the Christmas decorations, look. But I want to do a Christmas type of video. I want to put a Christmas tree on the roof. I want to wrap it in Christmas paper. And I also even want to try to do the Christmas lights on it. If you guys saw Alex Choi do that on his McLaren, it was even in a Drake music video. It was crazy. But he put Christmas lights all over the car. And I want to do that too. Honestly, I'm trying to do all three for 3 different videos this year. I think we're going to wrap the car in Christmas paper today. Or we might do the Christmas lights today. I'm not sure. And then maybe tomorrow I'll do the Christmas tree on the roof. Either way, it's gonna be lit. I can't wait. And whatever we do, I'm gonna take it out and try to do donuts with the car. It's gonna be sick. Make a bunch of content with the Christmas vibes. So if you guys are excited, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already, and let's get into today's video. Let's go to the store right now, see if we can find some Christmas paper or Christmas lights. We'll see which one we do first. I think we gotta figure out how we're gonna wire the lights up to the car and run power out of it. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna go figure it out right now. So let's head to the store and get some Christmas stuff. Let's go. Also, if we do the lights, I know people put like tape on the car and I don't want to mess up the paint because this car's not wrapped. If it was wrapped, I wouldn't really care because I just change up the wrap, but this is paint and I'm not trying to mess up the paint if we put like really sticky tape on it and it peels my paint later on. So we gotta figure it out too, what tape to use. All right, we made it to Walmart, guys, and probably wasn't the best time to come shopping. Everyone's Christmas shopping right now. But we gotta find some lights or else, like I said, Christmas paper. Trying to debate which one to do today. You guys probably already know by the title and thumbnail, but I don't at this very moment. I'm trying to figure out which one will be easier. I've never done the Christmas light thing. Look at all this Christmas paper. Damn, it's just so fun because it's kind of like wrapping your car in a way, guys. Like if I did the whole entire car, it'll actually look like I have a brand new wrap on it. It will look completely different. We gotta pick something red, huh? So we can see how the car would look technically red. Like if we were to do something like this, like you'll see the whole F80 will pretty much look Tiffany blue almost, or green. I might just grab a ton of these, guys. 300 lights? Bro, I've just never done this before, so I don't know how many I need. Hopefully it works. If we need more, we'll come back, but pretty sure 3 will be enough. And then we gotta figure out how we're gonna plug this in to the car. All right, we're gonna just grab these, guys. 3 of them. It's only 900 lights. Almost 1,000.
It should be enough.
It better be enough. I might just do this, like a red, the snowflakes. Because my car's gonna look red.
Yeah, just like you want.
Exactly.
They have them locked in there?
Oh, they do.
Damn, they never used to do that.
We in the hood, that's why. Damn, they're all locked in. I want to do a trick. All right, we got the stuff. $99.
I know. Why was it so expensive?
It was because I had to buy one of these because to power the lights on. I was trying to find like a battery powered one, but they don't make them long enough. So anyways, we're gonna try this. This plugs straight into the battery. So hopefully it works. But this shit was 50 bucks. I'm about to use it and return it. I swear, dude, I'm not even kidding. And then I'm gonna use this blue tape to hopefully not peel my paint. It's gonna look like shit in the light, guys. Like in the daytime, it's gonna look bad. But at night, you will not see the blue tape and you won't see the lights at all. It's gonna just look like it's lit up. Let's try it. If it looks like crap, whatever. Let's just try it out. See if it comes out cool. All right, we made it back home, guys. Like I said, we got the 3 lights, which equals out to 900 lights. We got the 2 rolls of blue tape. I'm sure this will be enough. Like I said, it is gonna look bad. You're gonna see little blue pieces everywhere on the car. But I think once the sun goes down and the lights turn on, you won't even see the blue tape. So I was gonna use like black electrical tape, but I'm just paranoid, guys. I don't want nothing to peel this paint. And then we got this thing that I thought was 30 bucks. Turned out it was 50 bucks. And yeah, hopefully this works too. So yeah, luckily the M3s, BMWs, they have the batteries in the back. So I think we'll just be able to clamp it onto these and it'll give us power. Look who showed up. Peter came to help. Are you sure I'm not gonna get shocked, bro?
No, you'll be fine.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're good.
Oh shit. It's working.
Now we just gotta pull the lights on.
Oh, they light up. They work, guys. Look at. So in the daytime, it's gonna look like crap. You're gonna see green lights, blue tape.
And that doesn't look hard.
Peter said we should take them off and put them on the house after. We're really gonna have to tape it like this, I think. So I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I'm thinking we just do this.
Take piece number 1 out of.
It should
I don't know how many to come.
Bro, this is gonna scratch my thing too. I already
My
know.
bad.
I know this is gonna scratch it. We're doing the lights right now, but look who's pulling up, guys. Oh my god, dude. Car reveal, guys. I just bought a new car. Oh my god, dude. My boy Decal Connect. He's over here hand delivering me some packages, but driving around the R8. Bro, I knew it was you. Or something. I was like, it's an R8 or a Lambo or something.
I had a feeling like you're like in this area.
It's just so nice, guys. Oh my god. It's literally my dream car and exactly how I'd want it to. The wing, the diffuser, satin black. So sick. I need that, bro. I freaking need that car. Bro, that shit is insane. But I think it might be time to sell all my cars, guys, and just get this. Saying goodbye to the F80, guys. I need that car. You really don't like it?
No, I do, but I love the GTR. I love it.
Nah.
It's not better than a wagon. Josephine does not like.
Dude, that shit is crazy. I saw it pass by and I was like, what is he doing over here, bro? But we pretty much followed the whole body line along the whole car and along the whole hood. And then the next box we'll do like more like zigzags on the doors, so the doors are lit up too. Maybe the roof too will be sick. But yeah, what I'm scared of is that's gonna keep scratching my paint, but I think we're good. A little bit of
We got
scratching.
Essential Auto Spot.
We call paint correction after this.
We're gonna need more than that.
And a wrap, cover it up. I was telling Peter, we want to go to the mall after this and try to get like people's reactions, but I'm scared that cops are gonna pull me over. You think this is illegal?
Nah. As long as we just pull up, as long as we have the lights off and we pull up and then turn them on there.
Oh, how cute!
It's gonna look sick, I think.
Sick at night. The roof.
Oh my.
That shit looks crazy.
What?
No, look at this
It's about to catch fire.
Bro, no way.
Oh, it actually does look cool, guys.
See, look, if it catches on fire, it's an insurance claim, then you're fucking dead.
You got that thing organized.
You get a brand new car.
Bro, it looks good. I like how we followed all the body lines, guys, so it looks pretty good.
I love the colors.
In the middle of the night, it's gonna look crazy, I bet.
looks sick.
It's gonna look like a freaking Santa sleigh, bro. But we're almost done. I think we're gonna go through one more box, like on the roof and the hood, and probably call it a day. Some people do like the whole door and everything like that, but bro, it's taking too much time. In the light, all the blue. We're done, guys. Damn. Bro, it looks sick. I can't believe we actually did it. And honestly, it was not that hard. It was just time consuming, but it's definitely easier than the car wrapping. Bro, this actually looks sick. I'm gonna pull the car right now so we can see how it looks, but we're gonna try to do a little test run. Yeah. It looks insane, bro. I can't believe we did that. I like how we go over all the wheel wells too.
You gotta show them the front too.
It literally looks like a car. Like an outline. Peter said like when you draw a car when you're small.
The little boxings with the outlines.
Oh my god!
Oh, I can't go. I forgot we can't go through the door, guys. Follow this whole body line and it actually covers the door, so now we can't open the door. I forget, dude. So we gotta go.
Race car.
Race car. Tight.
My god.
There's no way we gotta do this. Oh!
Like a gumdrop, beautiful thing.
Bro, I'm gonna mess up the lights. Look at Peter, he's scaring me out. Bro.
Oh gosh, this is so exciting.
Bro, that shit looks crazy. Oh my god, dude. I cannot believe we did that, guys. You still could tell it's an F80 too. Like if you really look at it, it's an F80. I've always wanted to do this, but I think I'm for sure gonna get pulled over. I have to do donuts somewhere.
Do donuts after.
I feel like if we do donuts now, it's all gonna come off, bro.
I like how the bumper in the front grill that goes like that.
I know. I like how we followed all the body lines, like literally all the body lines.
It's like teeth. Looks crazy.
Oh yeah, the middle ones.
Wild.
It does look good like that.
I feel like if we did zigzag right here, it would have been too much.
Yeah. We were gonna do the whole panels, but yeah, I kind of like how we followed all the hood body lines, the roof body lines, the windows, everything. Let's get it. We're about to go on the street for the first time.
He's all out of breath. You should have
I'm out
seen
of
how
breath,
he got
bro.
in.
Getting in this little ass window is not easy, guys. Oh my god, we're gonna get pulled over 100%.
No, we're not. Stop manifesting it. No, we're not. We're gonna be completely
It'll
fine.
make for a cool video though. I wonder what people think seeing this shit.
I'd be so happy. You don't understand how happy I would be if I
I don't want to go too fast either though. At the very end of today, guys, I'm gonna do some donuts. So stay tuned for the end of the video. But for now, we're gonna head to this mall. It's like an outdoor mall by our house. As soon as we go there, I know there's gonna be a ton of people there and we're gonna get hella people's reactions. So I'm excited. Let's go. Oh, look at the reflection. Bro, this shit is bright. Oh my, I really want to see a cop's reaction, guys. About to head to the mall now. We're like around the corner, but look at this. E46, M3, that shit's fire. That's so clean, bro. So we're gonna get everyone's reactions at the mall right now. I'm excited. Lights. It's like the perfect place to bring the car right now. People are tripping out. Like everyone's just so happy, bro, seeing it. All right, guys, so I looked it up on Google just to see if it's illegal to do this. While there aren't any hard laws about hanging Christmas lights on your car, it is illegal to impede your visibility and or distract other drivers in most.
Oh, Dick.
You forgot.
I keep forgetting not to open the door. This is from a CHP officer on like this spokes thing. No, Christmas lights inside or exterior of your vehicle could easily get you cited. We're pretty strict on vehicle lighting so no one is distracted on the roadway. So it's pretty much just like distracting other drivers. That's the only reason why they probably would trip. Look, I have to get out, guys. I literally have to get out like this. We're twinning. We're literally matching, bro.
This is the strand that we had in the back.
My boy in the Christmas spirit. He for sure likes it, huh? Sheesh. That's clean. Everyone's like has the best reactions. Everyone's taking pictures of the car. Everyone's all happy. Little kids are all smiling. Look at little kids.
The kids for sure love it.
Kids think it's like Santa, bro. What the heck? That shit slammed. All right, guys, it's time. I'm about to do some donuts real quick, and then we'll end this video. I'm excited, but I'm a little scared. I hope cops don't show up. I'm so paranoid all the time. But we got the lights. It's gonna look sick.
Turn off your headlights. Just run the daytime.
Oh yeah, the daytime running lights will look sick, huh? Too bad we don't have the yellow DRLs. All right, let's get it. Let's do some donuts. Bro, do you hear my car?
Why like that? What the?
It's shaking. Uh-oh. What is that? That sounds pretty bad, bro. Oh, hell no. Uh-oh. No?
You have a scanner?
No? Guys, you guys heard the misfire, right? It happened right after I did the donuts, but we're just gonna pull these off. Cause I don't know, low-key smell like fire, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, it looks smoky.
It does.
Imagine the shit's on fire. We didn't even know. Yeah. I don't know what happened, guys, but it's definitely misfiring now after that donut. And yeah, definitely smell like fire somewhere. It's the Peter the mechanic. Hopefully nothing too bad, bro. I hope. The things I do for the vlogs, huh, guys? Oh my god, it does smell like fire. And it was smoking a lot, but.
Hey.
What?
Your downpipe looks wet, like as in like a little wet on it. I don't know.
I'll try to start right now. Let me just move this so I can open my door. If this thing even starts. Bro, it's definitely misfiring, guys. Engine compartment open, engine hood. No other lights, no engine light, nothing.
Sounds fine now.
Yeah, it sounds fine now, which is weird. I don't know. Hopefully it was just like a restart thing, like BMWs usually do. But definitely didn't sound good. It definitely doesn't smell good. But anyways, that was a freaking fun video. I'm glad we got to do that. Shout out to Peter for helping me. Shout out to David for helping me film. David was pretty much the camera car. Peter was the cameraman. But hopefully you guys liked that video. I think it was pretty fun to do. Something very different than the vlogs. I wanted to change it up. I love seeing everyone's reactions. Everyone was so happy, bro. As long as I made people smile today, that was dope. Like I literally saw so many people just smiling.
A lot of little kids in there.
Yeah, so many little kids loved it. But it was just cool to see people like laugh and smile, you know what I mean? It was pretty sick.
Hey, what if the truck is on fire from the inverter?
Oh shit, maybe this is on fire, huh? This shit. Woo! Nah, it's going though.
Is the inverter?
That little thing came in clutch though. That was fire. Look how it looks, dude. Oh my god. We put so much tape. Look at all the tape, guys. But it's done. The car's back to normal. We also gotta figure out that stupid misfire now. I'm stressed about that, but hopefully nothing too serious. Definitely have to take it to phone too or something, have them look at it. But why does something bad happen to me every single time? Every video I feel like it's something, bro. Oh, but by the way, remember my air conditioning went out the other day? It started working again.
That's crazy.
So I don't know, bro, something's up with this car or something. I don't know. It's like a girl? Bipolar? If you guys did enjoy that video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys like this little vlogmas that I'm doing. I'm trying to vlog every single day. I think we're on like day 4 of vlogmas, but prior to the day 1, we were already like 5 videos in. So we're like 9 videos deep right now, bro. This is crazy. I'm gonna try to make it all the way to the end. We'll see, hopefully. It's just very hard to come up with content every single day, but today's video was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.